Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Learn and Speak. I'm Jason, and today we're diving into something we all deal with every day, our feelings. Have you ever felt so happy you wanted to shout it from the rooftops, or so frustrated you couldn't find the words? What if I told you that talking about your emotions in English can make you feel more connected and confident? That's what this episode is all about.
Hi there, I'm Julia, and I'm super excited to chat with Jason about this. If you're learning English, expressing your feelings is a game changer. It helps in conversations with friends, at work, or even when you're traveling. We'll keep it simple, fun, and practical. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Jason, why do you think talking about feelings is so important for English learners?
Great question, Julia. Well, feelings are part of daily life. Whether you're excited about a new job or sad about missing home, being able to share that in English opens doors. It makes your conversations more real and helps you build stronger relationships. Plus, it's a great way to practice vocabulary without feeling overwhelmed. Today, we'll cover common emotions, useful phrases, and even some short dialogues to practice. And don't worry if you're at a B1 or B2 level. We'll explain everything step by step.
Absolutely. Let's start with the basics. What are some common feelings we experience? Happiness, sadness, anger, fear, surprise. These are the big ones. But in English, we have so many words to describe them. For example, instead of just saying, I'm happy, you could say, I'm thrilled or I'm over the moon. That makes your English sound more natural.
Right on, Julia. Let's list out some vocabulary. We'll say the word, explain it simply, and give an example. First up, happy. That's when you feel good inside. Example, I'm happy because I passed my exam. Next, excited. That's like happy but with more energy, like waiting for a party. I'm excited about our vacation next week.
Then there's sad. That's when you feel down or unhappy. I'm sad because my friend moved away. And frustrated. That's when something is annoying and hard. I'm frustrated with this traffic jam. What about angry? That's stronger than frustrated. I'm angry because someone broke my favorite mug.
Good ones. Let's add surprised. That's when something unexpected happens. I was surprised by the birthday gift. Or scared or afraid. That's fear. I'm scared of spiders. Okay, listeners, pause here and repeat after me. I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm sad. I'm frustrated. I'm angry. I'm surprised. I'm scared. Great job. Repeating helps it stick.
Now, Jason, how do we actually talk about these in conversations? We use phrases like I feel or I'm feeling to start. It's simple and direct. For instance, I feel happy today because the sun is shining. Or I'm feeling a bit sad after watching that movie.
Yeah, and to make it more conversational, add why. That gives context. Like, I'm feeling excited because I'm meeting my old friends tonight. How about you? That invites the other person to share. It's polite and keeps the talk going.
Let's do a quick example dialogue. Imagine we're at a coffee shop. I'll be Julia, feeling stressed, and you respond, Jason. Hey, Jason, how's it going?
Not bad, but I'm feeling a little tired after work. What about you?
I'm feeling stressed because I have a big presentation tomorrow.
Oh, I get that. Maybe take a deep breath and practice a bit more. You'll do great.
Thanks, that makes me feel better. See? Short and easy. Listeners, try this with a friend or even in front of a mirror.
Awesome demo, Julia. Now let's expand on more emotions. What about love? Not just romantic, but like loving a hobby. I love playing guitar. It makes me feel relaxed. Or disappointed. That's when expectations aren't met. I'm disappointed that the concert was canceled.
And relieved, that's when worry goes away. I'm relieved the storm passed without damage. Or proud, when you're happy about an achievement. I'm proud of my progress in English.
Let's practice these. Repeat. I love. I'm disappointed. I'm relieved. I'm proud. Good. Now, for motivation. English learners, remember, it's okay to make mistakes when talking about feelings. every time you try, you get better. Start small. Describe your day to yourself in English. Today, I feel motivated because I'm learning new words.
Totally agree. Confidence tip number 1, use positive self-talk. Tell yourself, I can express my feelings in English. It builds your mindset. Tip 2, listen to podcasts like ours or watch simple English videos. Hear how natives talk about emotions.
Tip 3, practice with a language partner. Apps like Tandem or HelloTalk are great. Share your feelings daily. I'm feeling happy because it turns learning into a habit.
Let's dive deeper into why this matters. In daily life, talking about feelings helps in relationships. For example, at work, I'm feeling overwhelmed with this project. Can we discuss it? That shows emotional intelligence.
Or with friends. I'm feeling lonely lately. Want to hang out? It's honest and strengthens bonds. For English learners, this boosts fluency because emotions are universal. No need for fancy grammar.
Exactly. Now more vocabulary. Anxious, that's worried about the future. I'm anxious about my job interview. Calm, the opposite, peaceful. I'm calm after yoga.
Bored when nothing excites you. I'm bored with this TV show. Energetic, full of life. I'm energetic after my morning run.
Let's make a longer dialogue. Pretend we're discussing a bad day. Jason, you look upset. What's wrong?
I'm feeling frustrated. My car broke down this morning.
Oh no, that sounds annoying. Are you okay?
Yeah, but now I'm worried about the repair costs. I'm feeling a bit anxious.
I understand. Maybe talk to a mechanic. You'll feel relieved soon.
Thanks, Julia. Sharing helps. How was your day?
I'm feeling happy. I got a promotion at work.
Wow, congratulations. I'm proud of you. See how we mixed emotions? Practice this script at home.
Motivation time. Learners don't fear judgment. Native speakers appreciate your effort. Every conversation is a win. Set a goal, use one new feeling word daily.
Tip 4, journal in English. Write, today I felt. It reinforces vocabulary privately.
Let's cover positive feelings more. Joy, deep happiness. I feel joy when with family. Content, satisfied. I'm content with my life.
Grateful, thankful. I'm grateful for your help. Optimistic, hopeful. I'm optimistic about the future.
And negatives, jealous, wanting what others have. I'm jealous of her new phone. Guilty, regretful. I feel guilty for forgetting the birthday.
Repeat practice. Joy, content, grateful, optimistic, jealous, guilty. You're doing amazing.
Now a real-life scenario, traveling. I'm excited to see new places, but scared of flying. Or shopping. I'm disappointed this shirt doesn't fit.
At school, I'm proud of my grades, but anxious about exams. At work, I'm relieved the meeting went well.
Let's role-play a phone call. Hello? Jason?
Hi, Julia. I'm calling because I'm feeling bored. Want to go for a walk?
Sure, I'm feeling energetic today. Let's meet at the park.
Great. See you soon. I'm happy now. Simple, right? Try varying emotions. Confidence booster. Record yourself. Listen back. You'll see improvement. It's motivating.
Tip 5, use emojis in texts to practice. Happy. I'm happy. It links words to feelings.
Expanding. Embarrassed. Ashamed. I'm embarrassed I tripped. Confident. Sure of yourself. I'm confident in my English.
Inspired, motivated by something. I'm inspired by this podcast. Overwhelmed, too much. I'm overwhelmed with tasks.
Let's dialogue about a party.
How was the party, Jason?
It was fun. I felt excited at first, but then overwhelmed by the crowd.
Yeah, parties can be like that. I felt inspired by the music.
Cool. I'm grateful we went. Practice makes perfect.
For learners, celebrate small wins. Said, I'm frustrated correctly, high five.
More words. Lonely. Alone. I'm lonely without friends. Hopeful. Expecting good. I'm hopeful for tomorrow.
Annoyed, mildly angry. I'm annoyed by the noise. Peaceful, calm. I'm peaceful in nature.
Repeat. Lonely. hopeful, annoyed, peaceful. Keep going.
Scenario, health. I'm feeling tired after the gym, but proud.
Family, I'm grateful for my parents' support.
Let's do an extended conversation about a weekend. Weekend plans, Jason?
I'm excited. Going hiking. How about you?
I'm feeling relaxed, just reading, but a bit lonely. Want company?
Sure, join me. You'll feel energized.
Thanks, now I'm optimistic. See the flow?
Motivation. Consistency is key. Practice 10 minutes daily. Big results.
Advanced tip. Use idioms. I'm on cloud 9 for very happy. I'm down in the dumps for sad.
But start simple. Don't overwhelm yourself.
More idioms. Butterflies in my stomach for nervous. Over the moon for thrilled.
Practice. I'm on cloud 9 because.
Now, listener challenge. Describe your current feeling in the comments.
Wrapping up vocabulary. Curious, wanting to know. I'm curious about English. Indifferent, neutral. I'm indifferent to that movie.
Enthusiastic, very interested. I'm enthusiastic about learning. Depressed, very sad. I'm depressed about the news. But seek help if real.
Dialogue on hobbies.
What's your hobby, Jason?
Painting. It makes me feel peaceful. Yours?
Cooking. I'm enthusiastic, but sometimes frustrated if it fails.
I get that. Keep trying.
Confidence tip. Join English clubs. Share feelings safely.
Yes, online forums too.
Let's cover cultural aspects. In English-speaking countries, people often share feelings openly.
Like, how are you feeling? Instead of just, how are you?
Respond honestly. I'm feeling great, thanks.
More practice. Role-play job interview.
Why this job?
I'm excited about the role. It makes me feel motivated.
Good answer.
Thanks. I feel confident now.
For learners, visualize success. Imagine fluent conversations.
Tip 6. Watch English movies. Note emotion words.
Like in Inside Out, all about feelings.
Perfect example.
Extending. Amused, finding funny. I'm amused by the joke. Shocked, very surprised. I'm shocked by the news.
Exhausted, very tired. I'm exhausted after work. Refreshed, renewed. I'm refreshed after sleep.
Repeat and use them.
Scenario. Weather affects feelings. Rainy days make me feel gloomy.
Sunny ones, I feel cheerful.
Dialogue about food.
This meal is delicious. I'm happy.
Me too, but spicy. I'm feeling hot.
Drink water. Now I feel amused. Fun. Motivation. You're not alone. Millions learn English. You're part of a community.
Join our YouTube comments for support.
More words. Nostalgic. Missing past. I'm nostalgic for childhood. Adventurous. Ready for new. I'm adventurous on trips.
Impatient. Can't wait. I'm impatient for the weekend. Patient. Can wait. I'm patient with learners.
Great opposites.
Practice dialogue. Waiting in line.
This line is long. I'm feeling impatient.
Me too, but let's be patient. It'll move.
You're right. Now I feel calm.
See? Emotions change.
Tip 7. Breathe deeply when nervous. Say, I'm feeling anxious, but I can handle it.
Builds resilience.
Let's talk about expressing complex feelings. I'm happy, but a little sad. Mixed emotions.
Like bittersweet. The goodbye was bittersweet.
Useful for real life.
Now, long role play. A day in life.
Morning, Jason. How do you feel?
Groggy at first, but after coffee, energetic. You?
I'm optimistic. Big day ahead.
At work, I felt frustrated with emails.
I felt proud finishing a task.
Evening, relaxed watching TV.
Me too. Grateful for the day.
Full day of feelings.
Listeners, map your day like this in English.
Huge confidence boost.
Wrapping up vocabulary. Empathetic. Understanding others' feelings. I'm empathetic to your situation. Apathetic. Not caring. I'm apathetic about politics.
Use wisely.
Final motivation. Persistence pays off. Keep talking about your feelings. You'll sound natural soon.
Absolutely. We've covered tons. Vocabulary, phrases, dialogues, tips.
Remember, practice daily. You're capable.
And that's our episode on talking about feelings. If you enjoyed, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Share your feelings in the comments. What made you happy today? Keep practicing English. You've got this.
Thanks for listening. See you next time on English Learn and Speak podcast. Bye.